One day, a curious house cat met his greatest enemy, the robot vacuum. At first, he was terrified. Every time the vacuum moved, he leapt onto the couch and hissed, tail puffed like a balloon. But curiosity won. The cat crept closer, paw by paw, until he finally smacked the robot with his paw. Bonk! The vacuum stopped moving. The cat sat proudly, thinking he had defeated the strange machine. But suddenly, the vacuum whirred back to life. The cat jumped high in the air, eyes wide, and ran for his life. Moral of the story, sometimes bravery comes in small doses, and sometimes running away is the smarter choice.